This is a tutorial of how to add extra things to the waste sites Google map. So the first thing to do would be to go to Google Maps. So that's maps.google.com. We'll bring it up. Second thing to do would be to sign in. That's here on the top right. So sign in. It's me. Okay, once you are signed into Google Maps, I'm assuming that you already are one of the people that's allowed to edit the maps, but I will show you how to do that separately. If you click onto My Places and then select the Waste Sites map, which should bring up the map with all of the points. So the first thing that you can do is to find where the way site is. I'm just going to pick a random spot. There's two ways around you can do this. Either you just zoom in directly onto the place where you know it is and find it physically on the map. Let's say, for example, this was where your way site was going to be. Let's pick that, say that over there. So we have something. So say that's your way site. So either you find it on the map like that, or you can type in the coordinates into this top bar over here, which will zoom in the map. Then once you have found that point and that is centered into your screen, a good thing to do, your next thing to do would be to click edit, which is this red button over here. So you click edit, and that means that you are now going to be editing the map. If you would like to type anything for the main introduction to the whole map, you'd edit this section over here. This isn't very detailed at the moment, and perhaps what would be good to put there is something about maybe groundwork with the link in there, or about who's compiled the map or whatever. Okay, back to our map. The first point is to go to this little icon here and click on that, and that is going to give you this little pointer, which means that when you click your mouse over the point, it will drop an information point into that spot. You can see with the little X's, so place the X over your way site and then click the mouse, and that will bring up this window right here. Because of the way that the little information point is designed, you can't work with it when it is plain text, which is this section here. What you need to do is click onto Edit HTML, like that. Okay. In this top bar title, you put in your name of your waste site, which could be, middle of nowhere waste site. Okay. Now, as long as you are in this edit HTML is the section you're entering the text into, you're ready to enter the main text and the table. Now, for doing that, I've created a Word document to make that easy for you. So you go to the Word document, and you'll see it's laid out like this. Anything that is in red is where you replace the text that is here with your own text. So introduction paragraph about the landfill site. This is where stuff happens and people are waste picking, etc., etc., etc. It doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about changing the color, because that won't show up when you transfer it all across. It's very important though that you delete this text and write over that text don't leave these words location, number of waste pickers, demographics, etc. In place. Location somewhere. Oh, we said it was Nowheresville. Nowheresville. So number of waste pickers 100. You know, etc. So basically go through this form, fill in all the details, make sure you take out that original text that's in there. And once you have done that, then select all the text. There's all the text selected, and then I'm going to right click and say copy, or you can go to your top menu bar, edit, copy text. Okay, so now I've copied that text. Now I'll go back to my internet browser, and in this box over here I will paste that text. So that's right click and paste. Okay, it's all gonna look, unless you understand HTML, it's all gonna look a bit different. Well, it doesn't actually, but you see all the red coloring is gone because it removes that for you. So once that is in, then you click OK button. Over here is the OK button. You click OK, and then that information should be saved in that point. If you would like to check the information, over here you say I am done. Or you can save it first if you'd like to just double click, but it does save when you say done anyway. So I am done, and then if I click on that point, it has brought up all the information. Middle of Nowhereville waste site with the groundwork logo, the paragraph, and then your table of information. Now that point that we've added will have been added right at the end of this. There we go, middle of Nowhereville wasteful sites. It's there in the list on the left hand side. If you would like to move it to, say, third from the top, you go back to this left hand menu, say edit, then scroll down to the middle of Nowhereville waste site, click on it, click and hold, and then you can move these around and place it wherever you want. Third from the top, there it is. Scroll back up and say done. Right, and there it is. Well, okay, it's fourth from the top. So that's how you move them around. If you would like to delete a point, like I'm going to now, I've done this one, now I'm going to delete it. So you go again, edit this map, edit, find this point, click on it. If you need to move the point, you see when you hover over there it says drag to move this place mark. So you click and hold, and it gives you that little clenched fist, and that means that you're moving around, and then you can move it to wherever you want. You can undo. So I've moved that place mark, that was wrong, I want to undo, so I click undo and it puts it back. So click, hold, drag, oh no, wrong place, undo, it goes back to where it was. If you would like to delete a point, then you will, I'll start that again, to delete a point. You go edit, click on the point, scroll down, and over here it says delete, and you delete that point. And it's gone. And that will be gone from the left hand menu as well. It's important to know that once you've deleted it, it doesn't go into a trash can or anything, so it will be deleted for good. If you delete it by mistake, before you do anything else, you do have an undo option over there. So now I've put the point, I've deleted the point, I don't want to undo it, and I'm done, so I say done. And that is the process of adding a point to your map. Good luck. If you have any problems, let me know.